What is one thing that you feel guys fail to understand about girls?
The same thing, that the other person works, they have a routine, they have a schedule. If they cannot do something, then they can just be relaxed about it.
Okay.
Be
But so you feel कि जो evolution लड़कियों की thought process में हुआ है, जो progression हुआ है, वो लड़कों में नहीं हुआ उस हिसाब से?
I think they want something different and they end up with something different. That's the problem. Like you need to understand what you want and what you need.
तो उनको लगता है बड़ा ग्लैमरस है कि लड़की इंडिपेंडेंट है, लेकिन जब एक्चुअल मिलती है तो वो कुछ
Yeah, she looks good, she's very independent.
उसको वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं कि भाई वो
But then they want her to do like other stuff,
Yeah.
So you should know what you're getting, what you're going for.
So
it's very simple actually. It's not but
तो उनको समझ क्यों नहीं आ रही है?
It's something that they ignore. I don't know why.
But लड़कियों में इतना चेंज हो गया है. Girls have become more independent, more progressive. Their thought process has changed a lot. Why is it not happening in the guys? Why are they not changing so quickly? Or you feel?
I think उनमें नीचे जा रहा है.
यार ये मुझे दो तीन लड़कियों ने ये बात बोली है.
I don't know.
Seriously, you are probably the third or the fourth.
नहीं, I'm not generalizing, लेकिन most.
No, girls do feel that men are thought process थोड़ा सा जितना हम expect करें कि evolution हो वो वैसा नहीं हो रहा.
As much as they're trying to
woke about it.
Yeah. अभी काम कर रही हैं या कुछ. A lot of girls are working. I know a lot of friends of mine they're just working. They're married, they're working.
Yeah.
So their attitudes are not like our mothers और हमारी जो भी होती थी, उनका वैसा नहीं है attitude. अब वो बनता है. अब for example, if I have a friend who's like highly educated, she works in this company. Like why would she be? She has a personality change as soon as she gets into her in-laws' house. She can't because she knows her worth, and that's what we need to tell each other. हम literally हम एक दूसरे को बताते हैं. लड़कियां आपस में एक दूसरे को बताती हैं ना कि तुमने ये किया है, ये तुम्हारी वर्थ है, ये बताना पड़ता है. It's so crazy कि you have to tell it to the other person.
कि आपको अपने आप को और उनको भी रिमाइंडर
देना पड़ता है, जबकि नहीं देना पड़ना चाहिए.
क्यों हो रहा है ऐसा? हमें क्यों लड़कियों को क्यों एक दूसरे को रिमाइंडर देना पड़ रहा है?
हालांकि when you see
नहीं हम इतने वो क्यों हैं कि when you're doing something इतनी जल्दी derail हो जाते हैं कि दोबारा किसी दोस्त को आके उठाना पड़ता है.
अब वो when you see a successful guy or a man, you don't think about this stuff, na?
You get tempted.
और कि वो और क्या करता है, ये वो ये करता है या वो ये नहीं. You don't, you just think. So it's not the same with women. People think इस तरह से साथ दूसरी साइड पे कि अच्छा if she's successful in this part, तो can she do like all the stuff? बेशक करती हो ना करती हो वो अलग बात है, लेकिन people actually do think. Question के बाकी है कुछ के नहीं है. Which is very crazy. I don't know. मतलब मैं इतना
डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स है ना मर्दों और औरतों के लिए. नहीं आप सही कह रही हैं. You are right when I'm thinking about it कि हाँ लड़की से expectations भी आपकी different हैं.
Exactly.
लड़के से different expectations हैं आपके. What are few green flags in men for you?
I think they should be very calm. First of all, don't shout. And in any relationship, not like
just romantic
specifically. And second, that they hardworking होने चाहिए. It doesn't matter if you're like crazy rich or like normal or whatever. You're a job person, your business, just be hardworking. Everything works out. It's fine. And third one, the sense to differentiate in between relationship.
Okay.
That's very important.
Yeah.
In between your friends, your family, and then your family that you're going to make, and then your parents.
What's love for you?
When you feel like home with someone.
That's so sweet.
Yeah, that's.
Majboor girl just blushed.
She did. No, I have makeup on.
No, you did.
Don't do this in front.
So do you agree with these lines? In पे भी बड़ी discussion
कहना बनता.
In पे भी बड़ी discussion.
Ashar wrote those lines.
Yeah, but
everyone just comes up to me and asks, "Oh my God, did you write?" I'm like, "No, I did not."
Yeah, but in terms of philosophical sense or in terms of concept, do you agree with these lines? आपका ही
It's
कहना
very
बनता.
funny that half of the world population thinks they are meaningless. पता नहीं क्यों. Like they're very simple words.
Yeah.
They're not supposed to be very deep, very deeply thought or
I think
curated.
deeply thought तो नहीं, but एक simple सी बात है क्या लड़की को पहले हाँ कह
It's
रही
a simple conversation between
हाँ.
university students,
Yeah.
maybe out of teen अभी वो निकले हैं, तो they're just talking. So it's a very simple कि आपका ही कहना बनता, कह दो ना.
But वो कह रही है कि मैं नहीं कहूँगी, लड़के को
Yeah.
कहना चाहिए.
Yeah,
So
you
you
should
agree with
just
that
say
philosophy
it.
that guy should always say
Yeah.
yes, say express first. I mean.
Exactly. Like
Okay.
they know they have something going on.
तो यार लड़कियां इतनी इंडिपेंडेंट हो गई हैं तो वो क्यों नहीं पहले इकरार कर
They just
सकती?
want to get spoiled. That's it. मतलब being a
नखरा उठाना है.
yeah, I think that's a female thing. That's
Okay.
just in their nature. Like
Yeah.
the other thing is in guys' nature कि वो बोल देते हैं. तो sometimes when they don't, then girls.
There's a lot of discussion about feminine energy and masculine energy.
Yeah.
Do you feel you also have to struggle with your masculine energy कि मैं उसको दबा के रखूँ या कि लोग मुझे बहुत strong समझेंगे या ये ऐसा नहीं है reality में and ये सिर्फ social media की conversations हैं?
नहीं ऐसा होता है ना when you are working then you do get into your masculine energy.
You
Yeah.
do.
अब ये back ये 2-3 years back I was in my masculine energy but now I'm not since अब I used to drive a lot और ये हर जगह जा रही हूँ खुद. You actually start getting in front of everything you have to do, which is not the way. Now I realize that कि आपको थोड़ा सा ना रहना चाहिए, अपने उस एनर्जी में रहना चाहिए या वापस आ जाना चाहिए. चलो हाँ वापस आना चाहिए. Because it's very important you don't feel the same towards the other gender anymore. That's the thing.
It impacts that.
Yeah, it impacts that. You need to understand in your head कि you have to come back to that energy where you need to just sit down and
अच्छा ये बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात बोली. मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि ये होता है कि
नहीं होता है
अगर masculine energy बहुत
I
ज़्यादा
think everyone who works can relate.
How do you feel differently towards the other gender? क्या होता है? Because I work also.
Like then you start doing things that they're supposed to do in their presence.
वो तो अच्छा in their presence. But
in their presence.
But वो इसलिए नहीं, it's by virtue of you working sometimes you have to. और दूसरी बात ये कभी-कभी आप ये भी कहते हैं भाई तुम समझ रहे हो हम नहीं कर सकते, हम कर सकते हैं.
Even in your work environment, why would you like feel the need to open the door for a man? Well, that's a very typical.
Okay, not that.
Not that, ना तो with you जब आप ज़्यादा करते हैं चीजें तो आपको realize नहीं होता
कि आप interesting है opening a door for a man.
Yeah.
That is very interesting. Would you do that?
No.
No.
Never. Now never. Never. I would never do that.
But this is very interesting.
Even though उसको कोई notice भी ना हो अगले बंदे को. It can be a random stranger. ठीक है आप चल रहे हो किसी public space में उसमें भी I am trying to say कि you need to be in your feminine. आपको पता होना चाहिए मैंने ये काम मेरा है ही नहीं ना. Why would I do that? तो वो आपको पता होना चाहिए.
काम मेरा है ही नहीं.
Otherwise आप बहुत ढीठ हो जाते हो अपने दिमाग में.
Okay.
Then you keep doing that in front of someone that you're not supposed to do, and then they find it weird. कि overly independent है या पता नहीं इसको चाहिए ही नहीं है कुछ. Like she doesn't need anything. She's doing everything by herself.
कैसी sad बात है ना वैसे कि वो आपकी against चला जाता है.
Very weird.
So आप हमारे लिए क्या गा रही हैं? मजबूर की 2 लाइन्स तो गाएंगी.
चलो मजबूर तो सुनाऊं ना मैं पहले आपको. आपका ही कहना बनता कह दो ना मैं शर्मा के कह दूंगी मैंने भी कर दिया आँखों का मसला अच्छा था अब ले जाओ अपना बना के मुझे मेरी जान.